Good morning, my name is Elise and I am totally obsessed with my garden, so I am taking you along with me in my luxury vegetable garden here in Tobiano, BC to show you what I am up to. I absolutely love gardening, and so I thought I would show you what I'm doing and take you along because this is such a beautiful environment. So I want to show you what my garden looks like, how I'm fertilizing, how I'm pruning, all of that good stuff. So today I'm going to be fertilizing my flowering plants, mostly annuals and some perennials. I'm going to be fertilizing alyssums, some salvia plants, and a few other perennials in my garden. A lot of them don't actually need fertilizing, such as Russian sage, black-eyed Susans. They don't like to have rich soil, so those will be left, but I'll show you the ones I am doing. Today I'm going to be using Miracle Grow as the fertilizer because I still have some of that left, but I am trying to move away from that. I've been trying to move into Canadian products that are more organic, especially because I now integrate flowers with my vegetables, so I want to make sure I'm not putting any chemicals into the food that I'm going to be eating. So today though, because I have some left, I'm going to use that Miracle Grow, so I'll take you along as I do that. And I actually have the new Canadian fertilizer coming in the mail. Once I have that and need to fertilize again, I will show you that product.
Have even more here right by my front door, and every time I walk up to the door it smells incredible. These annuals are absolutely stunning. I fertilize them once per week. I'm going to show you how I do that. Look at this luxurious border of alyssums. This smells absolutely amazing. Today I am using Miracle Grow water-soluble fertilizer. 1 scoop like this into the bucket of water.
If you've made it this far in the video, thanks for coming along with me as I fertilize my flowers. See you, happy gardening!
Okay, let's get a little bit of golf course action this morning. It is absolutely stunningly beautiful. It's about 9:30 a.m. Once again, a light breeze as usual around here. Birds are chirping. You can hear crickets as well. All the natural sounds of the area. Let's see what these guys are doing. They're looking for the ball in the fescue, and we got one over on the green already. This guy over here. You just see his head. Let's see how he does. Oh, about halfway. This ball is right about there on the green. This guy's turn. Let's see how he does. I didn't see where that one landed. Let's find out. Oh, just at the back of the green there. I see it now. Right behind the guy who just squatted down. Okay, his ball just landed over here. Nope. A little off. Not bad though. Oh. Nice. That was pretty close. Who's next? Guy on the right. Just gonna put. Oh no, guy on the left went. Oh, pretty close, but no dice. Now it's the guy on the right. Short again. Tough one. No. There we go. There we go. Woohoo! Nice. Okay, last one. Nice. And they're off. A little golf action for the day.